First, I'm going to prepare the pickled cherry blossom. This time I'm using Kwanzan cherry blossoms, yaezakura in Japanese. Next day, you squeeze the liquid out. When you add the vinegar, the flower will become bright pink. You can use any type of vinegar, but this time I used plum vinegar and peach vinegar. Peach one is especially really sweet. That's all you need to make the pickled cherry blossom. Let it sit for at least 3 days before you use it. Make each flower as flat as possible for the cake. Next, we will make the roll cake. Cream of tartar, sugar, vanilla, eggs, and cake flour. Make sure to use the cake flour, not all-purpose flour. Separate the egg white from the yolk and put them in separate bowls. Add some vanilla. Add some sugar little by little. When you add the flour into the mixture will become really thick. You will be able to tell a consistency when you reach the ribbon stage. Now for the egg whites. Add cream of tartar. Whisk till the egg whites are fluffy and add half the sugar. You'll finish when peaks form when you remove your tool. Make sure to add the rest of the sugar. Next, we will clip parchment paper on a baking sheet and push each side into the corners. Place the cherry blossoms in a linear pattern that you desire. Before we combine the egg mixture, add the cake flour to the egg whites so that the foam doesn't deplete. Carefully add the egg white mixture to the yolk, little by little with a silicone spatula. Hit the bottom of the sheet until all the bubbles are out. While you're waiting for the cake to be baked, you can make the filling real quick. Mascarpone cheese, cream cheese, fresh strawberry, powdered sugar, strawberry milk powder. Add all the ingredients into the mixing bowl. You want to get a consistency like this. Spread the strawberry mixture onto the cake. Leave more frosting where you will begin rolling and less on the opposite side. Place all the strawberries closest to you and begin rolling. Make sure to peel the paper slowly and carefully roll the cake to have no rips. You can now see the flour show up. Make sure to peel slowly without peeling off the flowers. Place some of the pickled flour onto the blank sides of the cake. Rewrap the cake with new parchment paper. Once tightly wrapped, twist the end of the parchment paper to keep moisture and to keep the roll shape. Tie the ends with rubber band and refrigerate. Naかなか綺麗にできました。Looks so pretty. 桜の塩漬けといちごのロールケーキできました。Now your strawberry roll cake is finished. 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。面白かったなと思ったらコメント、チャンネル登録お願いします。Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.